In the beginning, I was very scared. There will be lots of injection in head or something like that. But ma'am guided me very well. There is a really natural process, nothing harmful.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Richa Sanmukhani, dermatologist, cosmetologist and hair transplant surgeon at Hairfree and Hairgrow Ahmedabad Center. I am here to discuss today a case who was a case of grade 4 baldness, and we operated in December 2021. Now it's been 8 months and he has got a very good result with a very natural looking hairline. So we planned somewhere around 4500 plus grafts in this case, and we extracted the donor scalp as well as the beard, and we managed to take out somewhere around 4600 plus grafts, and we did the front area and we covered from mid scalp till the crown area. So now after 8 months he got a very good result with a natural looking hairline, as you can see. So we cannot make out by his looks that these are all transplanted hair, and this is why a very natural looking hairline is important while doing hair transplantation. And you can see the front and the mid scalp and the crown area which has merged very well with the surrounding hair, and it doesn't give a transplanted look. So you can just have a look from the front, from the sides. The temples, the already existing temples were made to give a natural look from this side and that side. So the temples also look very natural in this case. So now Mr. Tushar will share his experience with us.
Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Maheshwari. I'm 31 years old. I'm really thankful to men. It was really a nice experience. In the beginning, I was very scared. There will be lots of injection in head or something like that. But ma'am guided me very well. There is a really natural process, nothing harmful, nothing painful. So please don't stress. Please consult with the ma'am. They will guide you very well from the beginning of the process to till end. It's been 8 months now, and I'm having a really very good result. Very satisfied. All team was really very nice, supportive. Thank you.